If your Windows 10 or 11 system is acting strange, apps crashing, missing icons, or errors popping up out of nowhere, your system files might be corrupted. First, let's start with the System File Checker. Also known as SFC Scan, click on the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type this exact command, SFC scannow, and press Enter. After it finishes, restart your PC. This ensures all repaired files are reloaded properly into Windows memory. If SFC couldn't repair everything, type this command. This scan may take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. Don't interrupt it. Even if it looks stuck at 20% or 40%, that's normal. Once it finishes, you'll see the restore operation completed successfully. After that, you must run SFC again to recheck and finalize repairs. SFC scannow. Finally, restart your PC again. Your corrupted files should now be completely repaired, and your system will run smoother and more stable than before. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment "Fixed" if it worked for you. I'll see you in the next Advanced Windows Fix Guide.